Scott Thompson reporting to you live from Prestonia. The time is drawing near. We are almost there. The dryer and the Tannerite are situated. So we have 2.5 pounds of Tannerite, ignore that. And we have a fire extinguisher set in the back there. I am hoping that the force of the explosion from the Tannerite will be enough to essentially take the top off the fire extinguisher so we get that to detonate as well. But either way, this should be pretty cool. I am going to take a bunch of sheet metal screws and screw all the drawer in all around the edge there so that we get some hopefully nice compression, and hopefully this is better than the last video. Stay tuned. Prescott Thompson reporting to you from my office. So we blew up the dryer already. This is being taken after the dryer was blown up. Unfortunately, it was so windy out there that you couldn't hear my cool intro, and it was really fucking cool, let me tell you. So I'm just cutting that out, and I'm basically going straight to the dryer blowing up. So enjoy. Right, cool. So that sadly took me a few extra shots. I don't know if it was the wind or what, but I just could not seem to get the right spot. So that was a pretty good explosion. Sadly, I did puncture the fire extinguisher with a round prior to that, so I have no idea if the fire extinguisher would have gone off from that, but pretty good boom. Apparently there's Eric way back there carrying a piece of shit, so that went pretty far. There's a lid. Oh wow, here we go. Holy fuck, okay. So I would guess that that's the drum. Here's probably the entire back of it. Wow, that was pretty good. Well, anyways, I had intended to shoot at that with a scoped rifle, but long story short, it just wasn't happening today. That was all the way back there?
Oh, this chunk here was like a good 15 yards behind the tree.
Holy shit.
Stayed intact pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm going to do an after picture.
No, she's doing an after picture. Prescott Thompson.